Welcome to another episode of Finance for 20s. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 6 personal finance books that will help you become rich in your 20s. Now, these books are some of the books I've read myself, and these books have provided valuable insights, strategies, and mindset to set me on the path to financial success. So I decided to share them with you and tell you what each book is all about. So whether you are just starting your financial journey or you are looking to improve your knowledge of money and how to handle money properly, these books offer practical advice and timeless wisdom to help you navigate the world of personal finance. Now, if you are wondering how reading a book will make you rich or make you money, I want you to listen to this. Now, reading a book will not put money in your pocket, but it will give you the right knowledge and mindset to make money, save money, invest money, and manage money properly. And these things are the key factors that will help you attain your financial independence, especially in your 20s. But before I go on, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and please like this video. Also, the link to the Finance for 20s series will be in the description below, so you can check it out for more episodes. So with that being said, let's get into the video. The first book I'll be talking about is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Now, as of the time of recording this video, this is my favorite personal finance book. Now, The Psychology of Money by Morgan is a captivating book that talks about the complex relationship between money and human behavior. Now, the author of this book also talked about the various psychological factors that influence our financial decisions. That is, the way we spend money, the way we invest money, and the way we manage money. And the author of this book went on to provide valuable insight into how we can develop a healthier mindset towards money. Now, another thing I love about this book is that in this book, you find so many real-life stories and examples to learn from. The author of this book also talked about the importance of understanding our own emotions when it comes to money. He emphasizes that financial success is not solely determined by intelligence or luck, but is heavily influenced by our attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors. And that is true. Now, one of my favorite lessons from The Psychology of Money is that you don't need a specific reason to save money. You don't have to wait till when you need to buy an expensive item before you save. Just save money. Now, there are other lessons you also find from this book, and I also have a video on my YouTube channel explaining the 10 money lessons I learned from this book. I'm going to put the link to that video in the description below. The next book you need to read in your 20s is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Now, I'm sure there's a 50% chance that you've read this book or that you've heard about this book from someone. But if you have not read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, then you need to read it ASAP. Now, before I read The Psychology of Money, Rich Dad, Poor Dad was my favorite personal finance book. And it was also the first personal finance book I ever read. Now, I read this book in 2020, and the book gave me a positive mindset about managing money and about making money. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is a renowned personal finance book that provides a unique perspective on financial independence. Now, in this book, Kiyosaki shares his personal experiences and lessons learned from his two fathers, his dad who was the poor dad and the father of his best friend who was a rich dad. Now, this book emphasizes the importance of financial education and highlights the differences in mindset and approach to money between the rich and the poor. Now, this was the first book I got to learn about some concepts such as assets, liabilities, cash flow management, and the power of passive income. And one major lesson from this book is the importance of focusing on building assets that can generate income for you. Now, this book also presents practical lessons on how to attain and achieve financial freedom, the importance of financial literacy, taking calculated risk, and continuously expanding one's financial knowledge. This book will also encourage you to shift your focus from working for money to making money work for you. And this book has inspired so many individuals to pursue entrepreneurship, real estate investment, and other ways to create wealth. So once again, if you've not read The Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, make sure you read it after watching this video. The third book you need to read in your 20s is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Now, just like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill is a timeless classic that has inspired millions of individuals to achieve success and wealth. Now, this book offers a step-by-step guide to harnessing the principles of success. Now, in this book, Napoleon Hill also talked about the mindset, strategies of some of the most successful individuals in history and how we can learn from their stories. Now, one of the major ideas in Think and Grow Rich is the importance of surrounding oneself with like-minded individuals who can provide support, guidance, and accountability on the journey to success. Now, from this book, you will learn to understand the power of collective wisdom and collaboration in overcoming challenges and achieving extraordinary results. Also, this book emphasizes the significance of setting clear goals and maintaining focus. You also learn the practical techniques to cultivate a success-oriented mindset and to overcome self-limiting beliefs. So overall, Think and Grow Rich is a transformative book that will teach you how to align your thoughts, your beliefs, and actions to create the life you desire. The fourth book I'll be talking about is The Rules of Wealth by Richard Templar. Now, this is undoubtedly one of the personal finance books that will give you a realistic step-by-step guide on building wealth and creating a solid foundation for long-term financial security. This book covers various aspects of personal finance, including money management, investment strategies, and developing a wealth-building mindset. Now, Templar, the author of this book, breaks down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand rules that can be applied by individuals at any stage of their financial journey. Now, one of the key lessons in The Rules of Wealth is the importance of taking control of one's financial future. In this book, you also learn the need to understand and manage personal finances effectively, including budgeting, saving, and avoiding unnecessary debt. Now, I also went on to give practical tips and strategies for making informed financial decisions and maximizing income potential. Also, this book highlights the significance of investing wisely to grow wealth over time, and it also offers valuable insights into different investment options, risk management, and the power of compounding. This book will also encourage you to give you reasons to develop a diversified investment portfolio and take a long-term approach to wealth accumulation. So in summary, The Rules of Wealth by Richard Templar will provide you with actionable advice to achieve financial success. The next book I'll be talking about is The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley. Now, this book is a book I love so much because it challenges common perceptions of wealth and it reveals the true habits and characteristics of successful people. Now, through extensive research and surveys, Stanley, the author of this book, provides insight into the lifestyles and financial practices of individuals who have accumulated significant wealth. Stanley also talked about the myths surrounding wealth and debunked the notion that millionaires are always flashy spenders with extravagant lifestyles. Instead, it presents a portrait of individuals who prioritize financial independence and understand the importance of building wealth through frugality and disciplined saving. Now, one of the key lessons I learned from The Millionaire Next Door is the significance of controlling one's spending and living below one's means. Now, from this book, you get to understand that accumulating wealth is not about how much money you earn, but rather how much you can save and invest. Now, this book will also provide practical advice on budgeting, reducing expenses, and making informed financial decisions. Now, the last book I'll be talking about is The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. Now, this is another book with so many lessons on personal finance and wealth accumulation. The book presents a collection of parables and stories that offer practical financial advice in a captivating and relatable manner. The author of this book emphasizes the importance of saving, investing, and managing money wisely through the tales of fictional characters who navigate their ways to financial success. The book also covers essential principles such as paying yourself first, living within your means, and seeking opportunities to grow your wealth. Now, one of the key lessons I learned from The Richest Man in Babylon is the concept of keeping a part of all you earn, that is, saving a portion of your income and making it work for you through smart investment. Now, the book also highlights the power of compound interest and the long-term benefit of saving and investing. So in conclusion, The Richest Man in Babylon is a must-read for anyone seeking to improve their financial situation and seeking to build a long-lasting wealth. Through its engaging stories and practical lessons, the book provides readers with a roadmap for financial success. So in conclusion, these 6 personal finance books will offer you valuable insight and practical advice to help you become rich in your 20s. By reading and implementing the lessons from these books, you can gain the knowledge and mindset necessary to make money, save money, invest money, and also manage money properly. Now, remember that reading a book alone will not put money in your pocket, but it can provide you with the tools and strategies to achieve financial independence and long-term success. So take the time to read these books and start your journey towards financial freedom today. And if you want to learn more about how to get rich fast in your 20s in just 6 steps, you can watch this video right here. And I'll see you guys in the next episode of Finance for 20s. Bye.